Hey, it's Jelani from Cartfuel, and in this short video, I'm going to explain how you can sell digital products using LeadPages. We're going to be using a third-party tool called Cartfuel, and for full transparency, I'm the founder of Cartfuel, but Cartfuel is one of the easiest ways for you to sell digital products on your landing page. So what we're going to do is go to cartfuel.io. I'll put a link down below, and you can sign up for a free account, and you want to make sure that you connect your Stripe account to your Cartfuel account. Once you have your Stripe account connected, you're going to follow along with the rest of this tutorial. So we're going to go to our Cartfuel account and we're going to click on New Payment Form. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a payment form that can be embedded on our LeadPages site so that we can start accepting payments. So what I'm going to do is give my payment form a name. So what I'm going to say here is LeadPages Workshop, for example. And this name here is internal, so your customers will not see that. However, when you click on Add Product and you give a product name, your customers will see that. So let's say LeadPages Workshop. Let's say $1 here. And put down here, because what we want to do here is decide if we want to sell this product as a one-time product, meaning that there is no recurring subscription, but you can also decide to do a recurring. So like every month, this product would be charged, the customer would be charged. Or you could also do one every day, every week, etc. And you can also do expiration. So if you wanted to, for example, have this charge be 2 months, and then after that second month, cancel it, you can do that as well. For now, we'll just do one time. There are additional features that you can add on, like adding a product image, adding variants. But if you have any questions about any of these features, just hit this little chat icon and we'll be there to support you. Okay, for now, that's all I'm going to do though. I'm just going to add this one product, LeadPages Workshop. I'm going to click on Update, and now you can see we have our product here. We can add additional products by clicking on Add Product again and giving another product the name, a price, etc. For now, I'm just going to have this one product, and you can see here that on the right-hand side, it is present here. And on the right-hand side, this is just a preview of how your payment form will appear once you embed that on your LeadPages site. Down here, there are more features like changing currency, charging additional fees. You can add a countdown timer, add coupons, add an order bump. For now, I'm just going to add on the security badge and the coupons. Now, if you wanted to add the order bump, coupons, or the countdown timer, what you need to do first is actually set them up in revenue boosters. So let me show you how to do that. Let's actually add a coupon here. So I'm just going to add this coupon, click on save, and then I'm going to go into revenue boosters. Let's just show you how that works. So once you click on revenue boosters, you'll be brought to this page where you can select order bump, downloads, coupons, countdown timer, and whichever one you want to set up, you just click on it and then click on the button, and then you can start setting that up. So for example, if I wanted to set up a download like a PDF or a zip file or anything like that, all I have to do is click on add new downloads, add a file name, and hit this little button for the browse. Okay, that's how you set it up. I already have some setup, so I'm not going to do that, but let's go back to editing our payment form. So I'm going to click on payment forms here, and then I'm going to click on edit, the green edit button there. And now we will have our payment form that we were working on. Okay, what I'm going to do now is just go to step 2. Step 2 is how we can actually further customize our payment form. So we can choose a different font from the drop down here. You can change the form style. You can also change the language. Well, what I want to do is go into header, and I want to actually change this to say complete payment instead of complete checkout. And you can see on the right hand side, it updates. So that's pretty nice. Let's also customize this a bit further by changing the color of our titles here. So we change it to that pink color. We can also do the coupon link color. That looks pretty nice. Let's go into the placeholder tab, because what we're going to do here is actually change the color of the placeholders. So maybe we want it to be that color. That looks pretty nice. Maybe we want it to be black. Okay. You get the idea. You match it to whatever brand colors that you have. Let's change the card color. And let's also change the payment form background. So maybe we wanted it to be that type of, that gray. Very light. Okay. I mean, it depends on your brand, obviously, but you get the idea. You can customize it however you see fit. Let's go into buttons. Let's go to button color, and let's change that to black. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Let's go into the next step though, because what I want to show you is how you can redirect customers after they buy your product. So let's say they buy the LeadPages workshop. Where do you want them to go? Do you want them to go to a thank you page? Do you want them to go to your blog? Do you want them to just go to your homepage? Wherever you want them to go, you just enter the URL here. Now, if you wanted to use the upsell feature that Cartfuel provides, you just click on this toggle and you can start setting up your one-click upsell. Now, the cool thing about one-click upsells is that a customer can buy this product without having to re-enter their credit or debit card information. And it makes it really powerful for you to increase your revenues without really doing much besides offering this product to them. So if you want to use this feature, all you would do is just enter the URL of where you want that upsell to be present, and then you would set it up further. So you can say, let's say you wanted to do LeadPages course, you wanted that to be $1. And then you could change the color to match the branding a bit more like we did before. And we can say, yes, add this to my order, right? Boom. And now we have that upsell. Now, once you are done, what you would do is you would go to after upsell, and then you would send them to wherever you want them to go after that. But for now, let's just toggle that off and just enter our homepage here. I'm just going to do that. Perfect. Now let's go to step 4, which is all about integration. So if you toggle this on, there's different integrations that we connect with out of the box. So Kajabi, HubSpot, Rewardful, ActiveCampaign, Klaviyo, Simfox, some webhooks. We have some other ones coming. But if you don't see an integration here that you need, you can use our Zapier integration. So we have a Zapier integration, so you can connect with literally thousands of different apps so that you can make this as robust as you see fit. And we'll send that data to Zapier, and then you can send that data to wherever app you want to. Let's go to step 5 though, because I want to set up an email. So step 5 is how you set up emails. Let's toggle this on because I want to set this up. So let's say, thank you for your purchase. And then we'll say the from name is from me. And then we'll say, thank you for your purchase. Access it here. And then you can add the download. So remember how I said if you go into Revenue Boosters, you want to add a download, you need to do that first. But once you do that, you'll see that all the downloadables are down here. And you just click on it and it will include that in the email so that when the customer buys this particular product, they will get this email and then they can click on the PDF to access the file. Okay, awesome. Let's go to step 6. Step 6 is templates. So you can actually use your templates in Cartfuel. So like, for example, if you did not have a website and you wanted to just quickly create something, you didn't want to have to create a website, you can use our Cartfuel templates. But because you do have a website, I'm not going to show you that to make this video as short as possible. But just know that it is there for you to use. And if you have any questions, just hit this little chat icon, like I said, and we'll be there to support you. All right, let's click on save because now what we want to do is just embed this on our LeadPages site. So what we're going to do is go to our LeadPages, and what you want to do is you want to add an HTML element to your page. So just go to widgets and then just search for HTML and then drag that onto wherever you want the payment form to appear. So I already have one here. So what I'm going to do is just delete the one that I had before, and I'm going to go back to Cartfuel. I'm going to copy this by just clicking on it and then go back to LeadPages and paste. And then I'm going to go back and grab the second one and paste that, and let's save it. Okay, perfect. So that is saved. So now what we'll do is we'll click on update, and then we'll click on view page. So let's click on that and see how that looks. Awesome. So our payment form is rendering and we are good to go. So let's actually test this out to make sure that we actually get a receipt when we buy this product and also that we get the email. So I'm going to enter my name here and enter email. And then I'm going to pause this and enter my real credit card information. And then we'll go into my email and verify that this is all working. It looks like it redirected to Cartfuel, and that's what we wanted it to do. So now let's go into our email and verify that this was actually successful. So let's go into our email and we see that we got a receipt. So receipt from my business name, and it was for the LeadPages workshop, $1. Perfect. That is working. And now let's see the email. So there we go. Thank you for your purchase. It came from me. Here, this is what we said. Thank you for your purchase. Access it here. Click on the PDF, and that will open that that file for your customers to view. So that is how you're able to sell digital products using LeadPages really, really quickly. Just go to Cartfuel, sign up for a free account, connect your Stripe account, and you'll be able to start selling on LeadPages in less than 10 minutes with ease. If you have any questions, make sure that you hit the little chat icon down below, and we'll be there to support you. That's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.